The future of design is here. Are you tired of spending hours sketching, scanning, and editing patterns manually? We get it. The old way takes forever. Now I'll just open MYTH AI's Pattern Extractor, click on Create Design, choose Pattern Extractor, drop in your image, whatever sparks your idea, and hit Pattern Extractor, and watch the magic happen. In seconds, MYTH AI extracts details, cleanses edges, and builds flawless, seamless patterns automatically. Generate more pattern, click Visualize, and instantly see your pattern come alive. It's all just one click away. From concept to creation, no manual cleanup, no waiting. Design faster, create smarter with MYTH AI Pattern Extractor. Try this amazing feature by yourself. Hope you have understood how it works. Experiment more with your imagination, and thank you for watching.